Hey, what's up? So, in today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be like a how-to or like a tips and tricks video on van life. It's just going to be what it's like during an evening, like a random evening in the van. So if you're curious about getting into van life, perhaps you're sort of interested, you want to see what it's like, stay tuned. Maybe this will sort of give you a bit of an insight. I've got a few bits I need to do. I need to tidy up, and I don't think I'll be here tonight. One time I actually fell asleep here. It's quite relaxing. I fell asleep here, but then I moved for some reason. I think I needed to be closer to town that night or something. I've just finished work, and this will be a random evening sorting bits out in the van. So usually I plonk everything here when I'm about to tidy up. I've got random crap everywhere, so I need to tidy it up. The bed is bowing a little bit as well, so I need to sort that out. It's not that bad, to be fair. I've actually got more space here than I'd usually think I would. So plan is to sort out random bits, sort out boxes and things like that, maybe chuck something if it needs to be chucked, not here obviously, but in a bag. Sort out the bed. So this bed is getting uncomfortable again. It was alright at first, then it got uncomfortable, then it was alright, now it's getting uncomfy again. So I don't know if that comes up on camera, how it's bowing, sort of like, almost like a, what do you call it? Hammock. It's almost like a hammock. Yeah, I don't know. That's sturdy enough. Thirsty work. It's definitely not perfect, this bed. What I did want was a bed along that way. I'm still debating it, but I feel like that's way too small. I'd have to go in at an angle like that, head there, feet down here I suppose. Not enough room at all. I never liked those builds where it was like the bed runs the length of the van. I always pictured doing something like this, even though it doesn't work. All the food's in there. Probably not the best thing for you, but that's breakfast tomorrow. What's that doing there? It's nothing. Don't even need it in the van. All down here is just random stuff. Keyboard, so obviously I need that. Tools and bedding. Alright, so I'm just sorting out my gym bag for tomorrow. As you know, I shower at the gym because I get up early, so like I usually hit the gym like half 2, 3 o'clock. So I don't want to be rushing around at 2 in the morning trying to get bits together. So obviously shower gel, face wash, all of the necessary components to a shower. So yeah, I just get the bag ready and then I can just get up, drive, go. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. I'm also finding all these like miscellaneous waters. Now my pee ain't that clear, so I know it's not that. Usually I'll go through a bottle and then start another one, but I'm finding 2 or 3 half started bottles here, along with random mouthwash, which I don't really like mouthwash, but for some reason I picked that up. Obviously it's got to be done, and apparently that's got to be done as well. That's like almost empty now. I'm definitely not drinking that, don't worry. That's from a previous van project and I still have it. That was part of fixing the Peugeot Bipper, because when I picked it up it had this problem with like the coolant, like the radiator, the oil cooler and everything. Part of flushing that out was the deionized water. Now I still have half a tub that I'm not really sure what to do with. Definitely high time I changed my toothbrush head. It's got to be done. I have all these different bags. I've got a wash bag, a grooming bag, and then like a bag of assortments. I still have this somewhere and it must be in storage, because since I moved into the van it ain't here. But I keep all of them just in case, like maybe my beard grows that long. Like, is that a thing? Might have to sort that out at some point. But there's like spare razors and shit, so we're happy about that. Moisturizer. That is one pristine head. The body ain't pristine, but I ain't exactly going to be deep throating it down to here, am I? Just realised something else that I have to do as well, and that's empty that. At the moment there's no fresh food in it. All there is a bunch of water, so it needs emptying. Well, safe to say that's getting chucked, isn't it? Did you ever see that video where I said there's a beer at the bottom of this? I found it. I found the beer. And that's what you're left with after a bunch of ice. It's not glamorous, mate. We ain't glamping though, are we? So I need to empty these out, because obviously that's the leftover water from the ice, and I can bin that. As long as you're not bothered about that, then you're fine. That's the only issue as well, is you get a little pool of that because of the condensation or whatever. Again, it's all stuff that you can deal with. Gets you by, you know. This is my dilemma on the days off as well. I found the beer. To be fair, probably should have kept it in the cold water. I found the beer, but I wanted to hit the gym tonight. I ended up thinking, what's the point in having the beer if I'm going to be training later on? I don't want to be drinking. So that's why I've kept that beer for so long. It's been in there weeks. But I might indulge tonight. I've got 2 days off now, 2 in a row, baby. I might have to indulge in that. I'll find another park up for like actually settling down, and I might crack it open. I bought this for the tuner. The things you get in van life, because I didn't have one. So when I first moved in, I had to just, you know, picking bits up as and when. But then luckily, look, it's got a little thing on there for the beer. I might have to indulge tonight. Might as well, while I'm treating you guys to an evening with me. That's about as organised as it's going to get, and I fancy chilling now. So we're probably going to drive to another spot where I can have that beer and watch something. So the SD card is full on the GoPro, so I've had to switch to the phone. Got my rubbish, just for proof I'm not littering. Yeah, that is about as tidy as we're going to get it. That's going in the wash though. Coffee flask I need to figure out whether I'm keeping or chucking. How many do you need, mate? It's gonna live there though. What else did I want to do? Oh yeah, increase my space. That's not a person, that is a carpet. I need to put that in storage or it's going to go back down on the floor at some point. I'm not doing that today. But it was originally like it went under the bed and then it gave like a nice little comfy carpet here. But I'm not doing it today. I have no idea where I'm sleeping tonight, but we'll see. I'm gonna take a drive, get out of here, see where I end up. I've got one sort of park up in mind. I'm not sure if I'll end up there. I'll see when I get there. But that's basically how it goes. I never really know where I'm gonna sleep. Gym bag's ready for tomorrow morning. Beer is ready. The way it sort of usually works when I'm bunking down for the evening is I'll sort of have one in mind. I'll head that way, see what it's looking like. If it's not looking cool, I'll just go to another one. I sort of want to stay roughly around the gym area. Let's take a drive and then I can finish the evening off with a drink and some Amazon Prime. So let's do that. I need to sort the tyre pressure out and I ain't even done it. I can't be bothered to do the tyre pressure. That's definitely not the way to drive. That's definitely not the way to do it. I'll do it tomorrow. I'm not doing it now. I've just arrived at the park up for the night. It's a little bit quiet. There's a couple of cars. This spot, they park up here and then they go for a walk. So that's probably what these cars are doing. For me, I'm parked up for the night. It's still really light because it's only like 6 o'clock, but I'm gonna get in the back, probably crack open that drink that I was talking about. I'm actually getting a little bit hungry now, but I have this thing. That'll do for tonight, won't it? The moment we've all been waiting for. Worth the wait.
You made good time, Colonel. Yes, well, it's a good thing I left early.
That's pretty much what the evening is going to be for tonight. I'm going to sit here, enjoy my food and my beer, watch a bit of Stargate, and yeah, call it a night. So if you want to see more raw, authentic van life videos, hit subscribe. We're pushing for 100 subs on the channel. We just hit 30, so thank you to everyone that has subscribed. Hit the like button if you don't mind, it does help. And yeah, as always, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.